Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will demonstrate the process of height-adjustable EPS block molding machine testing in the workshop. In the video, we can see the bottom plate of the EPS block molding machine slowly rising. Once the ascent is complete, we will zoom in to show in detail how the steam pipes are connected to the machine structure. I hope you guys can better understand the operational details of this EPS block molding machine from the video. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.